Hello, Keller Williams Sonoran Living Agents. Thank you so much for joining me as we dive into Command and begin learning how to add pages and modify our agent website. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is come in here on the left-hand side of Command and click on Consumer. Now we're going to see all of the pages that you've already created. And if you've only done the initial setup, you'll only have a couple of pages, maybe 3 pages here. Now let's say you want to add another page to your website. First thing you'll do is click on Create a New Page, and then it's going to ask you if you want to add it to on my agent site or as a landing page. And just so you know, this is what you would use if you wanted to create a single page property website. But for now, we're adding to our existing site. So I'm going to click Create Page. And the first thing we're going to do is come up here and change the title of the page. So we'll say Shane's Awesome Page. Now we need to decide what we want to put on here. And there's so many options that you can add. Feel free to take a look at my website, shaneblissett.com, or go on to Facebook and the KW Command or the Command Your Conversion Facebook groups have some amazing suggestions on things you can add and different ways you can add them. I will also be creating more content with specific ways to add pages. But for now, let's just say you wanted to add another page on how about you. So let's pull over your agent profile. It's going to pull in and you'll see all of your information. Now let's say we wanted to modify this a little bit. So I'm going to click on Configure Widgets. And here's the agent profile widget that I just pulled in. So I'm going to click in here. And I need to make some changes here. I'm going to add my role. My bio title is about me. Agent bio, let's say I'm going to change this and say Shane is so cool and awesome. Voila. Contact title, contact Shane, phone number, email, that all looks good. I'm going to save and apply. And you'll see that this now has updated. Now I'm going to click Save Changes. And I'm going to click Yes. So now it has brought us directly into the agent site pages directory. This is your drop-down menu that you get when you go to your agent website. So now that you've created the page, you need to add it into your menu. So you're going to click on Add Page. It's going to show you your existing pages that have already been created. Here's the one we just made. We're going to select it and click Continue. Now it's asking for page title. So we'll say Shane's Awesome Page. The URL slug is what shows up at the end of the URL. So we'll just say Shane is awesome. If you're using SEO, you can put your SEO keywords in here. Otherwise, click Save. And now that has been added to my agent website. So let's take a quick look. My agent website is shaneblissett.com. And here we go. Here's my name, and here is the new page that I just created. So we now know how you can create a page and add that into your menu. So think about some things you want to add to your website and get started. Make it your own. I'll talk to you soon.